my dear friends, a great morning to all of you. My name is Khushi. I read in 12th standard in J International School. Today I stand here in front of you to tell you a great story about Dhamvi Combo's and what should be needed for being a successful person. And how a limited education would prove his task to be an uphill battle. Now let's start our story. On what seemed like a regular day, Dhamvi Combo's at work rickshaw puller was riding through the streets of Delhi when he met with a terrible accident. He know that he wouldn't be able to go back to his work. He made the decision to go back to his native village. He made the decision to go back to his native village in Yamunanagar, district of Haryana. Being a school dropout and no having a technical training, he made and no have technical trainings. Technical training restricted his scope in the way of employment. The desire to do something out of ordinary kept stirring in his heart time and again, and he was on the lookout for right inspiration and opportunity. Such an opportunity crossed his path during his visit to the outskirts of the Jaipur, Ajmer, Pushkar regions of Rajasthan, where he observed a number of women self-help group at work. A common sight was women in the process of making gooseberries laddus. There were machines available to process gooseberries, but none of them to be proved cost-effective. The industry was so small and the owners so modest, so it was not possible for them to purchase machinery. Dhamvi Compose began to think of making fruits and vegetables processing machine not only affordable but also free of accidental health hazards. During his way, there was many problems, but to challenge and overcome them was his motto in his life. संघर्ष ही सबसे बड़ी कामयाबी है. अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखना है. Listen again. संघर्ष ही सबसे बड़ी कामयाबी है. अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखना है. This was the truism that Dhamvi Compose has lived by and overcome and get a funding of rupees 25,000 for his project. The first prototype of his machine was made in March 2005, and but an unexpected problem has been proved out of overheating. But at last he solved this problem, and this prototype of machine was purchased by GIAN North and sent to Kenya on a pilot basis. The machine which Dhamvi Compose developed has a unique in the way that it processes the vegetables and fruits. It processes the vegetables and fruits without damaging their seeds. Now, in the last, I want to say that if you want to get success in your life, you have to identify your strength and opportunity and remove your threats and weakness. Thank you and have a nice day.